Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. Yes, it's been a long time and I will possibly do an update video, but today I'm sharing with you my Sephora sale haul. I purchased these on the last day of the Sephora Savings Event and it took 2 weeks to get to me. So here we are. Let's start with First Aid Beauty. They have this Smooth Essentials kit for $49. And I really like First Aid Beauty because I have sensitive, acneic, sensitive skin. So their products really works well with my skin. So in it, you get the ingrown hair pads. I don't know who's going to use that because it's not me. And then the First Aid Beauty, clearly Pauline. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. Oh, and an anti-chafe stick. This cute little baby deodorant or chafe stick. And this KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. This is going to be a backup. I love this stuff because I have KP here on both of my elbows and it sucks, but this helps a lot. So that's First Aid Beauty Body Essentials. And I picked up the First Aid Beauty Hydration Wonderland. This is the full face routine. It comes with the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, the Facial Radiance Pads, the Hydrating Eye Cream, and the Ultra Repair Cream. And that was $49. So I love these Radiance Pads. I go between these and Dennis Gross. No, not Dennis Gross. What's his name? On QVC. He does the red. It doesn't matter. Here's the Ultra Repair Cream that comes with it. Peter Thomas Roth. That's what I was trying to say. I go between First Aid Beauty's Facial Radiance Pad or the pads from Peter Thomas Roth and the Pure Skin Cleanser, as well as the Hydrating Eye Cream. And all this was for $49. And these are all full-size items. Okay, let me put these over here. And then I picked up this Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream Set. Who am I kidding? That's one. I picked up 3. Here's 2 though. I picked up a total of 3, but 1 is already gifted to my sister for her birthday on November 4th. So what you get in here, you get the Cheirosa 62 Body Mist, you get the Boom Boom Cream, you get the Shower Cream Gel, and the Baby Boom Boom Cream, and the Firming Body Oil, which I am so excited to try. And these were $68. These are perfect as gifts. If they still have it at Sephora, run, don't walk. Anybody you know that loves Sol de Janeiro, they will love this gift. And it's only $68 for these items. And then I had to get this fragrance. I had to because I needed it. I needed it because Jacqueline Hill recommended it. She never steers me wrong with her perfume recommendations. And this is the Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar. It's 3.4 fluid ounce. And I've already used it. This is what it looks like. When I tell you that this is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. This is one of those perfumes that you wear when you want, you know what, you wear that. It is so pretty. But I will be doing a full review of this during Vlogmas. So that's Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar. And then I picked up Nest Balinese Coconut Perfume Oil. I've already used it. Oh my God, the compliments I got on this. I wore this to the gym. The compliments that I got with this. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful, so soft, and it lasts a long time. Here's the thing though, with this, with perfume oils, you don't need to wear perfume when you're using these, because some of them are so potent that I think you may go overboard with adding a perfume. But with these oils, I mix and match and layer, and oh my God, it is just so stunning. It's so beautiful. So I picked that up, and during the Cyber Monday sale, I went to Nest Fragrances and bought more. But that will be our secret. No one else needs to know that. And then I picked up another perfume oil from Nest. This one is Sandalwood. South Pacific Sandalwood. And it looks like this. The presentation of Nest's products. Laura Slatkin is such a sophisticated, classy woman. So I don't expect anything less from her with her packaging. Everything is just attention to detail. I just love her products. So here is Balinese coconut. I'm sorry, South Pacific Sandalwood. I didn't like this one as much, but I didn't like the way it smelled on me. But once I layer it with many fragrances, I layered it with Pinro's Secret Genius, Sol de Janeiro Choo's 62 Body Mist, and something else I layered it with just to get the right note that I wanted. So this is going to, my sister, everything smells good on her. So it's lovely though. So if you love sandalwood on you, perfect, pick it up. And then a friend recommended this. This is the Jo Malone Myrrh and Tonka Cologne Intense. Perfect gift though. You know, it's just housed perfectly in this box. How beautiful is that? And it's going to be stunning on your vanity. How pretty. This is very woody, very oud, very leather. But when it dries down, there is this beautiful, soft scent. I won't get into details. It'll be in Vlogmas, in my review on it. But it's beautiful. If you like Jo Malone products, if you like woody, oud type fragrances, you will love that. And then I picked up Dolce & Gabbana Devotion Parfum. I know what you're thinking. Here it is. Stunning. Stunning. That's all I'm going to say. Again, not to sound like a broken record, but I will review it in Vlogmas. Next up, Jimmy Choo. This is I Want
Dr.
Choo.
Jimmy Choo Ying Keat is a Malaysian fashion designer based in the United Kingdom. He co-founded Jimmy Choo Limited, which became known for its handmade women's shoes.
Okay, thanks a lot, Alexa. So this is the perfume. It's I Want You Forever. Does your Alexa do that? Here it is. This is a 1.7 ounce. This is mature and sexy. Gorgeous. You will love it. And I picked up this Kayalı set. This is Kayalı 28. Here they are. This is such a stunning gift. It is perfect. You will absolutely love this. So you keep one and gift one. Or if you're kinder than me, you gifted this and you keep this. Or you keep both of them. Next, I picked up this Ellis Brooklyn Apple Love. This, I never thought I would be an apple perfume lover, but the notes in this is so beautiful, just gorgeous. You will love this. It's gorgeous. Ellis Brooklyn, their perfumes are becoming my faves. And then another Ellis Brooklyn. This is Apres, and this is 1.7 as well. It is strong. Well, I should say this. The Ellis Brooklyn fragrances, to me, even though they're eau de parfum, I don't find that they last a long time. But for me, it's a pleasure to keep, reapplying it. So keep that in mind. Beautiful fragrances, but on me, they don't last for very long. And remember, we're different. So it may last a long time on you, but not on me, and vice versa. But their products are lovely. And that is it for my Sephora haul. The fragrances, I will be reviewing them in Vlogmas, as I stated, which is a couple days away. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Bye.